name is Raval Sakshi. I am studying in FY BCom Division F. My roll number is 722 and I am from SDJN International College.
Career Objective by Sakshi Raval, FI BCom Division F, roll number 722. Subject Business Administration. My career objective is being an event manager. What is event management? Event management is the application of project management to the creation and development of small and or large scale personal or corporate events such as festivals, conferences, ceremonies, weddings, formal parties, concerts, or conventions. It involves studying the brand, identifying its target audience, devising the event concept, and coordinating the technical aspects before actually launching the event. Event management includes target, finance, marketing, scheduling, security, location, creativity, and logistics. Who is event manager? The event manager is the person who plans and executes the event, taking responsibility for the creative, technical, and logistical elements. This includes overall event design, brand building, marketing and communication strategy, audio-visual production, script writing, logistics, budgeting, negotiation, and client services. Planning to start career in event management. First, I'll complete my graduation, and between this year, I want to improve my knowledge and skill, which are building confidence and communication skills. Then, after my graduation, I'll join IDT Institute to have a professional degree in event management. Start by researching successful plans and businesses similar to my scope of work. Then, reach out to the people of event industry who may be able to guide me. Skills to be developed in me. Organizational skills. Event planners are highly organized people. So, topping our list of must have qualities is a keen eye for detail and sharp organizations. Planners keep client timelines on schedules, budgets in check, and details running like a well oiled machine. From the strategy stages to the post event checklist, planners should be able to recall even the smallest of details, meet deadlines, schedules, deliveries, and setups, and be on time with everything, all with a smile. Networking savvy. All the best planners are savvy networkers. The event industry is heavily people driven and relationship based, so you'll need a great network of diverse event professionals such as caterers, photographers, DJs, bands, lighting and AV, decor, video, and beyond. You'll call upon this network to make your events ones that your clients will never forget. On the flip side, you also want that same network referring business to you. Resilience and adaptability. If there's one thing that guarantee in the world of events, it's definitely the fact that things will go wrong. It's Murphy's law, and sometimes you never know what it will be until the day of. This is where having the skill of resilience and adaptability will come in handy. This skill encapsulates the go with flow attitude you'll need to overcome challenges at an event. The best event planners have a cool, calm, and collected demeanor in front of clients and behind the scenes. They have the adaptability to think quick on their feet to fix whatever curveball has been thrown on your way. Basic understandings of event. As a planner, my job is to the glue that brings the team together for a winning event. However, this doesn't mean that I am the best person to handle each piece of the event, but I do not have the best understanding of what's happening. For example, an event planner should be versed in how to make a floor plan, what an RPF is, how long dinner service will take, how many people can fit in a room, and how to work with catering staff. Event professionals should also be knowledgeable about the basic need of everyday band and DJs, AV companies, rentals, florists, and decor. You also need to understand what is reasonable and unreasonable request. Knowing these basics will help you build better relationships with your suppliers and help you create great event experiences for everyone involved. Unbridled creativity. Clients will look to you for cutting edge ideas. Be prepared to brainstorm incredible creative ideas. While every client may not be ready to test the event design waiters, they look to you as a consular on element of design they do feel comfortable with. Dedication to your client service. Bottom line, one of the most useful skills for an event planner to have is just to make things happen. Phrases I say a lot are not a problem, let me see what can I do, or absolutely and my pleasure. There are some key customer service phrases that can answer just about any question a client might have and reassure any anxieties. Scope of event management. It is a good career option as it does not require lot of investment and offers one with lot of flexibility and independence to work. If you have a passion to organize and good organizing ability, then you can make a successful career in the field of event management.